Hey y'all, you know, sometimes when you buy a truck, you got to do all kinds of stuff to it to get it ready to go, but not this one. This one's got brand new off-road tires, and it's already got a level kit on it. It is ready to go. It's the 2015 Chevy Silverado LT Z71. Great looking truck. Ready to go. Like I said, it's got the brand new off-road tires with a level kit. 2015 Silverado LT Z71. Only $28,900. $28,900 for this beast right here. Only at AutoMax on Skyline, 2323 Skyline Boulevard. Come and see us.